There's a lot of debris to contend with, which makes searching difficult, obviously having to search through the debris on site.
Sezilithumi nahlanu indumbu zabantu ezitholakele ngemva kwenkhukhula ezisahlele iLady Smith KwaZulu-Natal.
Quite traumatic. I tried to keep calm as much as I could. I didn't know whether the water was going to get higher.
Isivakashi bukeli saScotland nanje asikholwa bona sisindile ngemva kokurageleleka emlanjeni iKomati River ubusuku bonke bayizolo eMpumalanga. Ngelanga lokugcina obukela ngalo indaba zesiNdebele ku-2023 siyalotshisa begodu siyakwamukela. Lalela eduze uzibambe isashisa. Sikhuphukele eshumini nesithandathu isibalo sabantu ababhubhele enkhukhuleni ezavela ngelanga elandulela likaKrismusi eLady Smith KwaZulu-Natal. Izulu elinamandla eligcine libanga inkhukhula lithiye unganabono umonakalo eLady Smith ngosonto ebusuku. Izindlu zangenelwa amanzi konakala imthangalasekelo ezinye inkoloyi zemuka namanzi.
Amalunga omphakathi nemndeni yabongazimba bemuke nenkhukhula babonakale basiza nabo ukubhodolana nabongazimbi magega nemlambo emibili ethelela umlambo eClap River. Ingchema zabahlanguli zithi zilinga ngamandla ukufumana abongazimbi abasalahlekileko kodwa namanzi amaningi enza kube budisana.
There's a lot of debris to contend with, which makes searching difficult, obviously having to search through the debris on site. And up until yesterday, it was still raining in Ladysmith, meaning the rivers are still full, they're still fast flowing, also hampering efforts because rescuers have to put their own safety first.
Bathi likhona ithemba lokuthi basazokutholakala.
Teams on the ground are doing absolutely everything they can to find them.
Kanti kuthunyelwa abantu abaningi besizwe elihabako nabahlanguli. Iphiko lamapholisa lezinto ezinukelelako nalo lapho.
Amapholisa weMpumalanga nebutho lamajoni bahlangule indoda yeminyaka ema-56 ubudala edabuke eScotland nabe irageleleke emlanjeni iKomati River eMpumalanga. uMike Turner urageleleke ngemva kokuthi alinge ukweqa umlambo ngekoloyi izolo ebusuku. Bekakhamba yedwa nakwenzeka konke lokhu.
Ube ingalifilimu uTurner nakarageleleka emlanjeni sele akhutshwa siphaphamtshini samajoni. Urageleleke lapho ama-iri ali-16 emlanjeni iKomati River. Udabuka eScotland bekabhukhelwe kulodge ehlanu komlambo. Uthi nakuza kwenzeka konke lokho uphume ngekoloyi ayokubona indawo. Batsho bekakhamba alandela inavigator emlayela ukuthi arathe emlanjeni. Urageleleke lapho ngesimbi yobunane izolo ebusuku. Akakho bekakhona ukumsiza. Nanje uyazibuza bona uphunyuke njani ekufeni.
I was trying to get to a guest house last night because there was so much traffic, lorries backed up for Mozambique and what have you, so I decided to go to the petrol station and book myself into a guest house. Once I'd booked the guest house, I put the address in my phone and it took me across the causeway there. Unfortunately, I didn't make it all the way.
Ubathokoze bonke uTurner bamsizileko nalabo abamhlalise ubusuku bonke.
Very grateful to everybody. The guys who stayed all the night, the helicopter guys. Yeah, I don't want to do that again.
Amapholisa azwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngesibalo sokucwila kwabantu eLowveld.
Lesokusho ukuthi abantu bazame ngayo indlela ukuthi ba-avoid ama-low lying bridges ngoba sibonile linetha kakhulu la eMpumalanga and kuma-low lying bridges eMpumalanga kuLowveld kuyingozi kakhulu nesihlala sisho.
Kanti njengoba izulu lisalindelekile nje imphathimandla ziyelelise abantu ukuthi bacheje bayelele nabeqa imlambo.
Ikhotho kaMagistrata we-Alexandra eJohannesburg imdime ibheyili ubafana Mahungela osola ngokubulala utitshere weJohannesburg uKirsten Clates. Umsola uqalene namanye amacala angezelelweko wokukada nokudlelezela. Utitshere wabulawako obekafundisa isingisi eDelta Park High School ubulewe nabekasemnyanyeni wezemidlalo ngoSewula.
kuthethe pheze inyanga embili bona akulalelwe isibawo sebheyili sikamahungelo oneminyaka ema-21 ubudala. Nabe kubuyekeza ubufakazi nesitatimende somsolo, umbuso uveze bona umsolo akathembeki ngombana indaba yakhe inande ichuguluka nakanikela obunye ubufakazi. Umagistrata uthi umsolo uyingozi emphakathini.
The court is of the opinion that the applicant took deliberate measures to avoid detection, eliminating any evidence that could incriminate him.
Umagistrata uthi umsolo bekaqabanga bona angeze athweswa icala njengombana wachabalalisa ubufakazi nje.
The applicant's application for bail is denied.
Icala lithuliselwe ngomhla ka-19 kuChirhweni.
Abosaziwako emkhakheni wamafilimi kunye nezokuzithabisa eThekwini bahloniphe umhloli wemidlalo yetshachalazi obuya bemlingisi umvezi kunye nomvumi uMbongeni Ngema. Ungema weminyaka ema-60 nobunane obudala uhlathululwe njengomakekere ekorweni yezokuzithabisa. Ungema waduma kakhulu ngokutlola umdlalo weSarafina ngo-1987.
uMbongeni Ngema wabelethwa ngo-1955 eVeruleme Durban. Ukhulele emzini kagogo nobamkhulu wakhe kwahlabisa eTlagwini esifundisini. Wathi nakaneminyaka eli-12 wafunda ukubetha igatara. Wafunda amabanga aphezulu esikolo eDurban. Ngeminyaka yabo-1970 wafudukela eJohannesburg waba yingxenye kaGibson Kente njengothwaseli kwamlingisi kunye nokuvuma. Ngo-1981 waba yingxenye yabatlola umdlalo owaziwako iWoza Albert. Ngemva kweminyaka emibili kwalandela umdlalo womvumo iAsinamali owaba yimpumelelo eAmerica. Impumelelo yawo yavulelwa ngemindlela kezenitshabatshaba ngomdlalo womvumo iSarafina ngo-1987. iSarafina imalungana nomtshagalo wabafundi beSoweto ngo-1976. iSarafina yavezwa njengefilimu yomvumo eyavezwa kokuthoma emnyanyeni wamafilimu iCannes Film Festival ngo-1992. Yavezwa ngu-Anand Singh, kanti abadlali abakhulu kiyo kwaba nguLeleti Khumalo, Miriam Makeba, John Kani noWhoopi Goldberg.
And Ngema was a very special person, very creative and hugely talented. I think he was one of the most creative people in our country during that period of the 80s when he did shows like Asinamali, Woza Albert, and then obviously Sarafina.
Ungema wanyula amahlandla ambalwa kibonongorwana bethoni namaGrammy.
He took it to a whole new level. I think starting off that base, he brought those shows, did them in South Africa against the apartheid government, and got their wrath, but then he took it to the world. And that is where he really found audiences responding and learning about apartheid by watching those shows.
Ungema waze kakhulu ngokubona ikhono lomuntu.
He had the eye of a talent. You could see even in his productions that there were no chances there. Everyone in his production was a quality, and he will make sure that he fine-tuned them, he trained them, and become world stars.
Umndeni ukhombela ukunikela isikhathi sokuzila.
Nasibuye Ndolo. Nanzo-ke zangomnyaka ka-2023 enkundleni zokuthintana. Hlalele eduze ungachidi uzozizwa nasibuye Ntolo. Ubukele indaba ngesiNdebele nawuqeda ukungena siyakwamukela. Khumbula bona indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-Facebook nazikuphundileko. Asirage nazo. Njengoba nakulindeleke bona ikhetho lika 2024 libe ngelichisako, abaholi benhlangano zepolitiki nabo bazabe babekwe ilihlo elibukhali malungana nokuziphatha kwabo. Isazi sezekhetho sithi yebona banelungelo lokukhuluma, kodwa nakufuze bakhulume bamede abakuchoko nebakwenzako. Lokhu kulandela inkulumo yomholi wePatriotic Alliance uGayton McKenzie ethi ihlangano yakhe naye ingaba ngohulumende wonke amaphandle aselizweni ngokungemthetho asembedlela bayewacimela imthini esiza inguli ukuphefumula.
Uvungaza umoya wekhetho elizweneli. Kanti nenhlangano zepolitiki zikhuluma okhunye nokhunye ngomnqopho wokudosa abavoti. Umholi wePatriotic Alliance uGayton McKenzie solo udzimelele emagameni akhe malungana namaphandle aselizweneli ngokungemthetho.
We don't want illegal foreigners here. Where the PA, after we've been sworn in, I'm going straight to Rahima Musa Hospital, where we're going to switch off the oxygen of illegal foreigners.
Kodwa nabanye bayamhlaba bathi inkulumo yakhe le inehloyo. Izazi zithi iye yena unelungelo lokutsho akufunako. Kodwa nakuzafanele akhulume acheche.
Political parties, before they participate in elections, have to sign a code of conduct, basically binding themselves to the provisions within the code of conduct. And all individuals who are coming as candidates of political party, there is a particular form that they sign. That form, it's actually committing them to adhere to the provisions as contained within the code of conduct.
Ekbenje pheze ezimakhulu asithandathu inhlangano zepolitiki ezihlolisele ikhetho ku-IEC. Ezimakhulu amathathu namachumi asithandathu zazo azikavumeleki bona zingenele ikhetho lelizwe lango-2024.
Ehlelweni lendaba ezinabileko isibuya nenyanda elihatshwa qobe ngabolosibili bazabe baphethe indaba yokudla imali khulu ngonobayeni bese nakuthoma uchirhweni abantu bagega konke nje bayokuboleka imali. Nakho-ke ungakulindela.
Siyawubona ama statuses enu siwabhekile futhi ni happy ne? Hayi ni happy nje mangifuna ungasho yini happy. Yini niyabuthenga utshwala guys? Hayi niyaspenda nje etshwaleni, hayi niyaspenda nje emalini, niyabuthenga utshwala. Niyayidla imali yenu, niyayidla imali yenu, hayi niyayiboxa nje niyayiququda nidlala nayo. Niyayidla imali yenu. Sicela ke ngoJanuary ngahluphani ngemali yokugibela, sicela ngoJanuary ngahluphani ngemali stationery, sicela ngoJanuary ngahluphani ngemali school fees, sicela ngoJanuary ngahluphani ngemali uniform, sicela ngoJanuary ingahluphani ngemali kamalume imali transport. Sicela maniphuza, niphuze nibuye nganeno nikhumbule ukuthi uJanuary la ye ufikile useduze nkosami. Feel it, it is here.
Ihlangano yabasebenzisana namapholisa ukwelusa ubulelesi National Community Policing Forum ikhuthaze imphakathi bona ibike ukuthuselwa njengoba nayiraga nokuvikela imphakathi ebulelesini. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubana umsolwa obotshelwe ukubandakanyeka ekubulaweni kosihlalo we-CPF yeGugulethu uLulama Dingitho alise ukufaka isibawo sebheyili ekhotho kaMagistrata we-Athlone eKapa. Udingitho weminyaka ema-56 ubudala wadunyuzwa wabulawa ekhaya lakhe ekuthomeni kwenyanga le. Kanti kezemidlalo ikutani yalokho yomdlalo webhola esiqhemeni seMorocco Swallows uSteve Sikano uthonyekile ngokuthi isiqhemesi singale ukudlala imidlalo yaso emibili yevekele. ISwallows ihlolele iPSL incwadi eqinisekisa ukuthi angeke bahone ukudlala neSundowns kunye neGolden Arrows kusasa. Kuthiwa abadlali besiqhemesi babethe isithabalala ngeentshijilo zokungatholi imiholo. Kanti ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuzile ukuthi zithini imfiso zakho zomnyaka omutsha ka-2024 nokuthi ngokubona kwakho kuzokhonakala ukuzilandela na. Nakumbona ukuyalandela umbukeli.
Mina sengifisa ngathi unyaka ozayo uhulumeni akayiceda into leyo load shedding asengidiniwe ngayo emkhanje.
Kimi njengemuntu otisebenzelayo kuhambe kahle kakhulu. Ngifisa ukuthi nalomnyaka lotako ifiso tami tonke futhi lengidizingako dingafezeka.
Ezami imfiso zaka 2024 zithi ngingasuki kuzimu okunguye ongilonde nentshijilo nenhlangane nazo ku-2023.
Engikufisayo nje empilweni yikho ukuthi lokhu engibonile ukuthi ngehlulekile kona kulonyaka ngikwazi ukulungisa kulonyaka ozayo.
2024 ngifisa ube unyaka wokuthula nokuphila nokuzwana emndenini.
Ngoba ngiwumuntu olekelela umphakathi ngezidingo ezahlukene, inhlangano yami le yokulekelela umphakathi iregister ibe semthethweni ukuze izokwazi ukuthi isebenzisane nohulumeni kuncedeke umphakathi.
make it through, you're gonna need that new Simba Steakhouse beef flavor.
Waiting for your name to be called. What did you say? Your body shaking with disbelief.
Did we miss anything?
Nope.
Ever wait for it.
Bambisa with new Simba Steakhouse beef flavored chips. Simba, another thing.
Shine, and you could win your share of 2 million rand in cash and airtime. To enter, buy, dial, and stand a chance to win. Shine, nge White Star.
Introducing new Mentos Incredible Chew. Incredibly chewy, squishy, fruity sweets that will give you an entirely new chewing experience. Yes, we call that incredible.
Show off it to Imolona, Mr. Mpumelelo, Mr. Scoot is nice.
Bambi phone and connect with your favorite artists on social media on our brand new show, Connect. This week, connect with Emo. This amazing singer is running the streets right now, featuring on all the biggest Amapiano songs in the country.
This week, come and connect with me. We connect on SABC 1 Mzansi for sure.
Connect with Emo. Friday, 6 p.m. on SABC 1 Mzansi for sure.
Isemhlabeni la wonke umuntu uyasizamela. Yonke into oyenzile wena ungenzi ukuthi usiza abantu uzenzela wena for yourself.
Sorry, Nkosazana, ngicela ukuthi ungilandele kunodaba ekumele silungise. Yini? Inkonzo njani? Zama. Ufunani?
Lillian, will you marry me?
Uzalo, weeknights at 8:30 on SABC 1 Mzansi for sure.
Njenganje asikuqalele ezikhambe phambili enkundleni zokuthindana.
Uphela nje umnyaka ka2023 zibe ziningi izehlakalo ezidose amehlo wesichaba ezinye zagcina sezigega enkundleni zokuthindana sezenziwa ngitsho namahlaya. Yokthoma kwaba nginasi kama owathi batsho uzwe kuthuthumba ingidi emhlazana kunomchakalo weEFF wegezi iOperation Dudula yathi iyokuvikela iSoweto. Enye indaba edose amehlo enkundleni zokuthindana ngesokana ekuthiwa batsho liyabhala ukwakha umzi wakwabo. Kunalokho batsho lihlala ngekamureni ekuyicaravan. Batsho bakwabo nabambuza ngendaba yokulungisa ilikwabo udosi icaravan yakhe ayokuhlala la afuna ukuhlala khona. Kuba nomntazinyana owaba nechudu lokuba nomalume ofoda inthombe. Uthe abuye esitolo kuyokuthenga ipani lobrodo, omhaqaza umalumakhe. Waduma ilizwe lokho umntwana, ngitsho nekampani ebhaga ubrodo yahlanganisa amehlo naye.
Ngisho abe ubukho ubuhlungu ongifisela bona ukuthi ngidlule kubona noma mhlawumbe into ngicabangela yona bafisa ukuyenza kimi. Uzungakhohle ukuthi khona umuntu ongenacala kuwena ongidinga ngiphila. Ongidinga ngingayiphethe zonke lezi zinto wena oyifunayo kumina. Udinga nje impilo yami.
Kwasikinyeka iphasi lonke. Ngingasayibalike iSouth Africa mhlazana amabhokobhoko athumba ibigiri yephasi. Nabe ucabanga bona abantu abanzima eSouth Africa abayazi rugby. Ubethe phasi uyokusala unamala wedwa. Abantu bapheze bajanyelwa zinhliziyo ngitsho nomengameli imbala. Kwagcina sekulihlaya nakho lokho.
Basebenzile abafana. Yo, inhliziyo yami icishe yama.
Uhlanganise intshaba umdlalo kamakhakulararhwe.
Umana ngambambi Elizabeth.
Kuthe kusaqalwe lezo kwaba nomswa ojimako owenza ama-squad naye godu ilihlo labaphezulu kwakhe. Njengombana bekawenza njalo aphekelelwa naye ingoma yakhona.
Kwanga ukuphepha singakubeka phambili kikho konke esikwenzako. Ningene kamnandi eminyakeni omutsha.